Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Only a quick update here, sort of around the daily candle close. It was a crazy day. Now we've got a bit of profit taking. The Bitcoin price has come down in a concerning way. I mean, not really concerning, we're still at a decent price level. And however, Bitcoin, for example, has not broken key resistance. Key resistance for Bitcoin is 17.6K. What do I mean with that? I mean, we obviously track two scenarios here. We've got the blue one, ABC, which would then result in a move down, which is for Bitcoin still quite, I would say, likely. It's certainly possible. We haven't broken above any level that makes this scenario unlikely. This can go all the way up to 17.6K. And even above that level, we've got the 17.9K level, which is based on the Fibonacci retracements of this move down, yeah? So 17.6 and 17.9 are key resistance levels. I would say above 17.6, the blue count gets already less likely. Above 17.9K, I would say most certainly we are in the green count. Whereas, for example, if I compare that to Ethereum, just that you get the context, Ethereum did break through resistance today, and it basically didn't invalidate blue, but nearly invalidated it. Okay, so we are here a little bit further advanced. And also, unfortunately, we see Bitcoin's correction. Bitcoin's correction is currently a bit strong. So I gave you that wave 4 target area, which we've come into. But ideally, we wanted to reverse here. I mean, this is based on the Fibonacci here. This is based on the retracements of the wave 3, so the 50% retracement here. However, it's coming down quite a lot. So, I mean, either this is already the wave 4, which, however, is quite strong for a wave 4. Normally, I'd expect something more like this, more sideways movement. So, I mean, it's not too surprising given the strong movement to the upside that we had, that there's some profit taking. But it's a bit strong for a wave 4, and it looks rather incomplete because it has come down so strong and we don't see any sign of it stopping. I mean, it's sort of consolidating slightly here, just above the 50% retracement, and we have a small reversal candle here, but that's everything. I mean, we haven't really got any signal it's starting to move up. A good signal that we are getting this fifth wave off the fifth at the moment, yeah. That would be the count. Would be that you just leave this reversal area again, right? But at the moment, I'm not too confident this is holding. It is still the primary expectation, but I'm not too confident. It's sort of low confidence. In the worst case, this might become another 1-2 setup, yeah? I mean, that's not in the worst case, but if we drop below that 17,000, I mean, that key level here at 17,150, then we have another chance to find support above the 78.6, which is 17K. Then it would be another 1-2 setup, so we have a 1-2, 1-2. Which would be a bit more bullish, or I would need to revise the entire wave count, would need to think about what that might mean then. Maybe an entire diagonal that I would have to recount in a different way. Just thinking how this would work out. Well, you could then count them all as ABCs, yeah, and that would look differently then. I would have to count this as a wave 1, A, B, C. This is the wave 2. This is the wave 3, this is the wave 4, and this would be the wave 5 in ABC. Based on that, we would have the high already complete, but I would only really start to believe that if we drop below 17K. A drop below 17K and sustaining below 17K would not be good and would probably result in a breakdown, as far as I can see it at the moment. So these are the relevant support levels. If, however, we hold support and move up from here, let's say overnight maybe, I mean, maybe we get a bit of a consolidation overnight, but let's say we move higher, what would be the target? From what I can see at the moment, based on Fibonacci extensions, we'd be looking at the moment, at the area between 17,437 and 17,625. Remember that at 17.6, it's important resistance. Yeah, that's all I wanted to show you in this video. So these are the key levels. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.